Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to this season's video. We're doing the first update for the Glastonbury 2015 festival this evening. The whole of the festival period is now within the time frame of the GFS model, which is the extended sort of model that goes out a couple of weeks. So we're going to have a look at the charts in a moment. Just quickly to say though that the caveat of this is that it's a long way out. It's sort of over 300 hours away really, so we just use the model for trends for the first week to see if we can pick up a trend from the model, and then the second week of course we can start looking at the detail in terms of what temperatures are likely to be, how much cloud there'll be, that kind of thing. But the first week it's always the case, just looking at the broad picture to see what the pattern is showing. Now, before we get on with that, can I just say about the ads? Glastonbury is paid for by the ad, so there's links for articles on all pages at Glastonbury.com. You can have a click through some of the articles, the link articles you're helping to pay for websites. There's also video ads on those pages. They pay for the content, so they pay for websites, so you can have a quick look at the video ad. You will be having to pay for Glastonbury.com. Thanks so much for getting involved and doing that. So I'm starting on Wednesday the 24th of June. Because I know that a lot of you like to go off a day or so early before the event to pitch up your tents and sort of soak up the atmosphere. So we'll start a couple of days before the Friday of the main festivities. So here we are on Wednesday, 24th of June, and we've got a ridge of high pressure down to the southwest and low pressure is up around ice. So we're bringing a westerly flow through across the country. It's mostly dry, and it's not particularly warm either for this first day. These are upper air temperatures, and they show that the air is relatively cool for the time of year across the country. But plenty of dry weather, Glastonbury being down here, of course, and it's completely dry. Day being sealed, very some rain up to the north, but that wouldn't be worrying Glastonbury too much. The temperatures are cool, but okay, be plenty of sunshine, I think. So the temperature around 20 degrees, it will feel very pleasant. Certainly a nice day for pitching up your tents. Thursday, the 25th of June, looks like this, and the Azores High, which is this area of high pressure down here, is ridging into the country from the Atlantic Ocean. Low pressure jet stream is up here to the north and the west of the country, being held at bay by that high pressure. Upper air temperatures are still quite cool. There's probably some sort of a warm front coming across the country here, but again, of course, this is sort of exact detail and can't really use the model at this stage. It's 288 hours away, so this sort of exact detail is very much prone to change. But there is some sort of front coming across the country that's probably introducing cloud and lifting up the temperatures. The overall temperature is around the same as the day before, but I think that's probably warmer temperatures moving in. And then as we go through to Friday the 26th of June, which is the first day of the actual Glastonbury festival, of course, and here we go, the high pressure is ridging in nicely from the Azores. It's a very nice chart for the opening day of the festival. Upper air temperatures are now warm, so that was some sort of a warm front coming across on Thursday the 25th, and we're within a warm sector now, so temperatures have lifted up, and it's almost universally dry across the country as well. And look at this, temperatures are warmer, so at sort of 23, 24, you could probably increase that to 25 degrees in good sunny spells. That's a great day for opening the festival. And then as we move through to Saturday the 27th of June, the high pressure is still there, ridging through the country. So this is a very, very good update to be starting off with. The upper air temperatures are still very decent. Lots of dry weather as well. These green colours, don't worry about them too much. If this was to be how it panned out in terms of the high resolution time and model, all this green would be got rid of sort of thing. This is just sort of suggesting quite a bit of cloud coming in off the Atlantic, but close to that high pressure would be plenty of sunshine. Look at the temperatures, again signalled to be mid-20s perhaps. So yeah, we're going up in towards the upper 70s Fahrenheit in old money with that. That is great. Day 1, day 2 for Glastonbury, and then finally day 3, Sunday the 28th of June, and look at that, the high pressure is still through the country. A very nice anticyclone there. That's just what you want to see. if you're going to be doing outside events. The upper air temperatures are still very nice indeed. It's almost universally dry across the country once again, and for Glastonbury, although this does have a little splotch of green there for Glastonbury, but I think you can discount that really. Under the high pressure, it would be a dry day. Temperatures have lowered a little bit, but still decent, and there will be good sunny spells coming through, so it will feel very warm in that strong midsummer sunshine. So that is a great update to be starting off with. We've had 2 good years in 2013 and 2014 for Glastonbury. If this is how things pan out, then this would be 3 out of 3. It would be a very good year for 2015. But before we get too carried away, this is only the first update, and we're talking about the extended range of the GFS model, so this is likely to change. Remember, we're just doing these updates for the first week to look for trends. If this scenario of lots of high pressure throughout the festival is maintained for the next update, then we'll be able to say we have got a trend, then it's towards high pressure conditions. But it's too early to be getting too carried away with this just yet. So I know this is the kind of thing you want to be seeing. It is good news, it's a great starting point, but it's no more than that. Got to do more updates to see whether this trend is maintained. So keep checking back for the next update, maybe tomorrow or Monday. I'll let you know via my Twitter page. But that's all for now. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.